Hello, this is a news of Poland images, Rwanda's latest major trading partner. President Kagame welcomes the Polish counterpart Andrzej Duda for state visit to Rwanda. Poland has officially become one of Rwanda's top 10 export destinations in 2024, making a noticeable entry into Rwanda's primary trade partners. It reflected the success of a rapidly maturing bilateral relationship. This latest shift confirmed by the National Institute for Statistics of Rwanda, NISIR, in its Q for 2024 external trade in goods report, highlights both diplomatic momentum and concrete economic outcomes. The breakthrough follows a landmark state visit in February 2024 by Polish President Andrzej Duda and First Lady Agata Duda, who were received in Kigali for a 3-day official mission. During the visit on February 7, the governments of Rwanda and Poland decided to keep cooperation agreements. The first focused on bilateral trade and economic cooperation, while the second centered on cooperation in green technologies, environmental engineering, energy efficiency, and geology. Both heads of state, President Paul Kagame and President Duda, joined a business roundtable alongside Rwandan and Polish business leaders to discuss practical pathways for implementing these agreements. The results have been swift and significant according to official figures. Rwanda's exports to Poland totaled US dollars $47.01 million in Q2 2024, increased to US dollars $51.03 million in Q3 and remained steady at USA $47.53 million in Q4, making Poland one of Rwanda's top export destination by the end of year. This performance stands in stark contrast to 2023, where Poland did not feature among Rwanda's top 10 export markets. The many commodities exported to Poland include tin, which is widely used in the electronics and automotive sectors, as well as coffee and tea, two of Rwanda's signature agricultural exports. The transformation in trade rankings underscores Rwanda's broad strategy to diversify its export portfolio beyond the African continent. Alongside Poland, Luxembourg and Thailand also made their first appearances in Rwanda's top 10 export destinations in 2024, displacing Pakistan, Ethiopia, and Singapore, which had previously held a strong position in 2023. Despite these changes, the United Arab Emirates (UAE) and the Democratic Republic of Congo (DRC) remained Rwanda's top 2 export destinations. The UAE continued to dominate, accounting for over 65% of Rwanda's total exports in Q4 2024. These exports are largely comprised of high-value commodities, especially gold and other precious minerals. The Democratic Republic of Congo meanwhile remained Rwanda's most alone exports to the ERC reached the US $166.32 million, representing a 10.91% year-on-year increase from Q4 2023. Rwanda exports to DRC a wide range of goods, including mineral fuels, machinery for drive animals, and manufactured electricals. The DRC role in Rwanda's economic is unique. It's not only a regional partner, but also a destination for products that Rwanda imports, processes, and sends back across the border. The resilience of this trade relationship has continued despite geopolitical tensions in the region, suggesting a robust and underlying commercial independence between the two countries. Another note of trade partners in Burundi, even though the southern neighbor has closed its land border. Although the volumes are smaller compared to DRC, Burundi remains critical for border trade and cross-regional distribution. In Q4 2024, exports to Burundi amounted to US $3 million. The good trades with Burundi are predominantly everyday consumer products, fuel and agriculture imports, illustrating the importance of functional trade corridors in the Great Lakes region. In terms of overall performance, Rwanda's total exports in Q4 2024 reached US dollars 844.73 million, which represents a 53% increase compared to the same quarter in 2023. Much of this growth was driven by high-value sectors such as of the commodities transactions, not series were specified, which accounted for US for $428.15 million, and by the substantial growth in domestic exports of animals and vegetables, oils, fats, waxes, and machinery and transport equipment, which surged to US $23.4 million and US $16.87 million, respectively, in Q4. Rwanda's trade with the Common Market for Eastern and Southern African Commerce also soared, with exports increasing by 65.10% year-on-year. However, the entry of Poland as a top trading partner outside of traditional African economic blocs signal a widening of Rwanda's global trade horizon. The Polish state visit and resulting agreement appear to have laid the groundwork for more sustainable and strategic cooperation. With high-level attention, the agreement and rising export volumes, Poland's presence in Rwanda's economic landscape is set to expand further. Thank you for subscribing.